So by that, we want to say next week, we are putting the County Public Service Board of Kirinyaga. We will be going for our letters to go back to our official places where we used to work. We are not begging because the jobs are rightfully ours. And if the procedure they followed was illegal and procedural, they need to do the needful. And that is reinstating back the sacked health workers. And we are not begging. And at one point, I remember the governor telling us we spare the energy or the times we've been going to court. I want to tell her we went to court, and this time the verdict is on our side. So she do the honorable thing, honor the orders which has been given out. And we won't beg anymore. We got those jobs through merit. They were jobs which we gotten because of our professional credentials, so we will need our jobs back. And the lie she has been telling people is that she replaced us. I want to put it on a record. You cannot replace people with different terms. The people she engaged, she put them on contract as we were permanent and pensionable. The PSC has addressed that issue, so it's better she read it for herself.
That the health workers went on strike because they were politically influenced. That is one lie I would wish to debunk today. Because most of the health workers, or rather all of us, went on strike because there were real issues that are happening in the county. And all these issues had started way back in 2015, where we needed a shortage of health workers to be covered, where we needed promotions and resignations to be taken care of. And we also needed the environment at which we are working in the hospital to be looked at, because there were real health issues where even the health workers got sick while working.
Under WHO guidelines, Kirinyaga needs another 1,000 nurses, 200 lab techs, and I think those in service are like 120, 300 clinical officers, and about 100 doctors in addition to what we have. So sacking, like we have 188 nurses outside, 26 lab techs, and 45 clinical officers, and 24 doctors. It's like a drop in the ocean on what the Kirinyaga County health fractality needs. So by pegging on that, he replaced us, that's a lie.